Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. July 2020. How it is going to be for Cancer or Karka Rashi? Let's have a look. Firstly, the planetary positions. Retrograde Jupiter and Ketu are in the 6th house. Retrograde Saturn is in the 7th house. Mars is in the 9th house. Venus is in the 11th house. And Sun, retrograde Mercury and Rahu, they are in the 12th house. So overall, if I have to say, positive planets are very few for you this month. It's only Ketu and Venus, and rest of the planets are going to be negative for you. So the after effects of the eclipse, because the eclipse took place in your 12th house, the house of losses, that will continue. So that will show some effect. Okay, so what it can do is it can bring in some difficult and challenging moments for you this month. So what will support you? Your wisdom, your experience and your intelligence can support you, and at times these can actually bring you down as well. Okay, so it's going to be a tricky situation for you. Some good gains are indicated, distant gains though, some good gains are indicated. Have patience, have faith, better days are ahead for you. Now let's look at health front, how health front is going to be for you. You have to mainly watch out for the digestive system. That means whatever you eat, watch out for it, because there could be some disturbance in your digestive system. Okay, there could be eye problems because a lot of planets are there in your 12th house. Then small cuts or wounds can be expected if you're careless specifically. Then there could be some mental worries, there could be some anxiety that can come in this month. So be very patient and handle this with care. However, Ketu's presence can give you some strength to fight these issues. Have faith, be patient, better days are ahead in terms of health as well. Now coming to career or business, people in jobs will have to face a lot of confrontation. Okay, a lot of difference of opinion at work. Your peers may not really support you, they may work against you behind your back, so be very careful about it. You will have enough courage, and with that courage you will be able to push through in the workplace bravely. You will be able to face those issues and emerge winner in some. There may be some losses as well, but you will definitely try to win. One word of caution is you have to keep your emotions in check. Don't get emotional, be rational, be alert, be calm and handle the situations that come calmly. Then you will be able to tread through peacefully. In terms of the business or the businessmen, they will face slowdown this month. There could be slowdown in their thought process, in their actions, in their decision making as well. Support from partners may not be adequate this month, so wait for a better time. Don't take any hasty decisions that may cost you very dearly in the coming future. If there are any big plans or big investments planned, please defer them to another date. This may not be the right time for you to invest in a bigger project. Now coming to students, this I would say it could be an average or a slightly below average month for you. You'll be low on confidence, but again with hard work and discipline, I think you can go through this period peacefully. Now coming to wealth or gains, there could be unplanned expenditure this month, so watch out. Specifically, don't take any loans in this month because you may have to face a lot of problems repaying them in the future. There could be one or two good opportunities of making money that would present themselves, so capitalize on them, be alert. If you are planning any investment, then seek professional help. Do your due diligence and then take a step. Otherwise, if you can avoid it for the next month. Now coming to the family front, right? Your spouse may have some difference of opinion with you. Elders also may not be supportive this month. However, you will find some peace. Children will support you, so they will bring in some smiles on your face. Then, though I say it is challenging, but still you may have a few good moments in the family. Okay, so wait for them, be patient, handle with care. So family front will also be okay if you do that. Now coming to the remedies, do these remedies, it will help. Saturn is in your 7th, not a favorable position to be, so please recite Hanuman Chalisa to ward off any ill effects. You can donate rice, or you can donate black gram or coconut on a Saturday in a temple. Pray to goddess Parvati, who happens to be the goddess for that Rashi, for peace and success. You can select any of the shlokas of goddess Parvati and pray. If you are into any bad habits, could be alcohol, could be smoking or anything, please try to abstain or stay away from it. It's not going to be favorable for you now. Seek Guru's blessings. Either you can visit your Guru or you can visit a Guru's temple, so that you'll be able to pass through this tough time. Okay, so please do these remedies, stay calm, handle with confidence. This month will be slightly better if you can do these remedies as well as stay calm. Okay, so I wish you all the best and namaskar.